Jai Hind everyone, I am Prabhat Kumar and I welcome you all to PYQ Academy. In today's video, I am going to discuss the solutions of Geography portion of UPSC CDS examination 2021. Okay, so let's start our discussion. So in the first question, it is given that India's territorial limit extends towards the sea. Okay, so not only India's territorial limit, for any country, the territorial limit extends in the sea up to 12 nautical miles. Okay, so remember this question. You can get the answer of this question directly from the NCERT. So in the first phase, I think yes, India physical. So there you will get the answer as 12 nautical miles here. Okay, so answer is option B. Now moving to the next question. Next question is given that which one of the following is a cold ocean current? So the question, this is a common question of cold or warm ocean current. Okay, so you can see here in the image. I took this image, or you can get this image in NCERT itself. So there are two kinds of currents, one colored in blue and another colored in red. So the one colored in red are the warm currents and the other one is cold current. So the logic here is all the current coming from the tropical waters are the warm currents because there is more heat in the tropical region, and the current or the water coming from the polar region are the cold currents. So the question is asking about cold current. So you can see here Brazilian current. So Brazilian current is a warm current, so this is not. Then Gulf Stream is also coming from territorial waters, sorry, tropical waters, so it is also a warm current. And North Equatorial Current is also a warm current. Now California current is current coming from the Alaska region, so this is a cold current. So our answer is option D. Let's move to next question. Identify the type of soil on the basis of given characteristics. So there is a dedicated chapter given in the second part of 11th NCERT. Okay, and each and every year I think a soil question is asked from soil. Now let's look up the options. The first option is they are rich in lime, iron, magnesium and alumina. So it is asking about a soil which each having the nutrients as lime, iron, magnesium and alumina. They are generally clay, deep and impermeable. And the third option is they are mainly found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. So all these characteristics are given in the column of black soil. You can see here black soil covers most Deccan part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh. So this option is correct. Next option, they are generally clay, deep and impermeable. Yes. Here you can see black cotton soil. Black soils are generally clay, deep, impermeable. Exactly the same option. And the next is chemically black soil are rich in lime, iron, magnesium, alumina. So this is also correct. So all the three statements are related to black soil. So answer is option D. Next question. Arabica, Robusta and Liberica are varieties of. These are varieties of coffee. Just remember this question. Next question. Aluminium is manufactured from. That means it is asking about the ore of aluminium. So very easy question. Answer is of bauxite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Okay. Next question. In fact, you can eliminate if you are not knowing the ore of aluminium. You can eliminate this option because copper is itself an element, manganese itself element, and mica is not an element, but it is different. Okay, Answer is option B, bauxite. Next question. Which of the following seaports gained significance for handling iron ore exports to Japan? So the question, ports are a very important topic, and the question from ports have been asked a number of times. So remember, there are only 12 major ports, and you need to remember some of the characteristics of these ports. Okay. So which of the following seaport gained significance from handling iron ore exports to Japan? Okay, that means Japan is somewhere here. Okay, from in the eastern portion of India. That means all the ports which are on the eastern coast must be useful. Okay, so first is Kandla. Kandla is here. It is on the western coast, so it will not will have any significance with the trade with Japan. Okay. Then is Ennore. So Ennore port is here, just near to Chennai port, which is also known as Kamraj port. So yes, it can be used. Okay. Then Kochi. Kochi is here, which is on the western port, so no need. Then Marmagao, it is here in, sorry, this is not, this is Marmagao in Goa. So it is also on western coast. So we are left with our option Ennore. Okay. Next question, Milpa and Ladang. So the question related to different names of shifting cultivation has been asked a number of times. Okay, so you can see here Milpa and Ladang. Milpa in Mexico and Central America, and Ladang in Indonesia. So these are names of shifting cultivation, okay, in different areas. So answer is option A. Next question. Which one of the following tributaries of the river Indus feeds the canal system of Akron project? So if we will go through India physical drainage chapter, okay, so you will get to know in the column of Satluj river, it is important tributary and it feeds canal system of Akron. So yes, Satluj river feeds the canal system of Akron project. So next question. When the rivers discharge their waters from all directions into lakes or depression, it is a pattern known as. Okay, so there are various patterns of various drainage patterns of river. So you can see here, this can be termed as parallel or subparallel. This kind of pattern is dendritic. Then when the tributaries connect to the main river at right angles, so it will be trellis. Then if the water is going down in the various directions from a mountains or from a hill area, so it is radial. At the same time, if water is entering from any high area to a low area, then it is known as centripetal, and this is DRN. Question is asking what rivers discharge their waters from all directions into a lake. So here you can see rivers discharging their waters from all the direction into a lake, and this pattern is known as centripetal. So answer is D, centripetal. Please remember this image. You will be able to answer various questions related to drainage pattern in the next exam. Next question. Which one of the following statements about the Coriolis force is not correct? Okay. So a whole chapter is a whole paragraph is given in the chapter of 11th NCERT, the fundamentals of physical geography. So the first option is it is maximum at poles. So you can get the answer that yes, it is maximum at poles and is absent at equator. So this is correct. Then it is absent at equator. This is also correct. It deflects the wind to right in the southern hemisphere and it reflects the wind to right. So it is it will deflect differently in different hemispheres. So definitely one of the statements between these two statements is wrong. So now come from here we can see here, deflect the wind in to the right direction in the northern hemisphere. So right direction in northern hemisphere, this is correct and this is wrong. So we get our answer option C. Okay, next question. Identify the crop on the basis of the following characteristics. Okay, So first it is a kharif crop. Okay, then Ash, Aman and Boro are its three different growing periods in an agricultural year. And third is about one-fourth of the total cropped area of India is under cultivation. Okay, so if it is a kharif crop, then let's eliminate the rabi crop. Okay, now rice and cotton are two kharif crops. Now suppose this is a complicated statement. Now let's move to third statement. About one-fourth of the total cropped area is under cultivation. Okay, one-fourth means 25%, which is a large portion. So remember that cotton is only grown in few areas of Deccan Plateau, which is Maharashtra, Gujarat, some areas of AP. Okay, so it cannot constitute 25%. So definitely cotton is not our answer. We get the answer option B. Okay, so by this elimination method we can also get our answer. And yes, the second statement is also true. Means second statement is also related to rice. Here you can see in states like Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, three crops of paddy are grown in the year, and these are Ash, Aman, and Boro. Okay, so directly given in NCERT. Next, move, let's move to next question. Which one of the following is a type of igneous rock? A very simple question and asked a number of times. This is a question taken from the chapter Minerals, Rocks and Minerals. Okay, of 11th NCERT. So marble is a metamorphic rock. Halite is a sedimentary rock. Granite is a igneous rock. Shale is a metamorphic rock. You can get answers from just go and read the chapter and remember all the examples only. Examples are only asked from this chapter. Okay, so our answer is option C. Let's move to next question. Ozone layer, which absorbs the ultraviolet radiation, is found in which one of the following layers? A very simple question. So the stratosphere is found above the tropopause and extends up to height of 50 km. One important feature of the stratosphere is that it contains ozone layer. So our answer is stratosphere. Question which is asked in a number of exams. So answer is option D. Next question. Which one of the following statements about primary waves of earthquake is not correct? Okay. So they are similar to sound waves. You can see here. Similar to sound waves. Yes, waves are similar to sound waves. Yes, this is true. They can travel only through solid material. You can see here they can travel through gaseous, solid, liquid. So this is the wrong option and we get our answer. They can travel through gaseous, liquid and solid. Yes, they move faster and are first to arrive at surface. This is also true. Answer is option B. Next question. Alluvial soil vary in nature from sandy loam to clay. Directly given in NCERT, the soil chapter. Alluvial soils vary in nature from sandy loam to clay. They generally rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. So, poor in potash? No. Poor in potash, rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. Okay, so this is our correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is the largest linguistic group of India? Okay. Now try to find the answer by logic. Sino-Tibetan, that means something related to uh, language in the areas of bordering with Tibet. Okay, so there are few states. Okay, then Austric, it is okay. Suppose you don't know, then Dravidian, that all the southern states. Okay, then Indo-Aryan. Indo-Aryan, that means Hindi language, and definitely you can get up to the answer that yes, this can be the answer in which largest linguistic group of India. So Indo-Aryan. Next question. Which one of the following water bodies separates Andaman and Nicobar Island group? So this is the most easiest question. 10-degree channel directly given in NCERT. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is the longitude standard meridian of Indian IST? So this is a easy question because you should remember this question as a GK question, and of course you will get the answer in NCERT. So answer is 82 degree 30 minutes east. Next question. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with okay. Now There are different names given to cyclone in different regions, and you will get the answer in NCERT itself in the chapter atmospheric pressure in the cyclone paragraph. So you can see cyclones are the names in Indian Ocean, okay. Typhoons in South China, Willy Willy in Australia, and hurricane in Atlantic Ocean. You can see hurricane in Atlantic Ocean, typhoon in Western Pacific or South China Sea, and Willy Willy in Western Australia. So D1, for D it is 1, between 2. For B it is 4. So this is our correct answer. Answer is option B. Next question. The Luhri hydroelectric power project is being constructed on the river. This was correct a question which is in current, but in future it can also become a static GK question, so a static geography question. So answer is option A, Satluj River. Okay. Next question. In the year 2020, which one of the following tiger reserves of India was declared by UNESCO as Biosphere Reserve? So this was also a question from current, but it can become static question in future. So our answer is option A, Panna Tiger Reserve. Next, the Kaleswan lift irrigation system, which was recently new. So it is also a current question, but can become a static geography question in future. Answer is option D, Telangana River. Sorry, Telangana state, and river was Godavari. Okay. So today we are done with the questions of geography of CDS 1 2021. Okay. In the next video I will come with the questions of CDS 2 2021. Okay. So if you like the video, then do share the content and also hit the like button. Okay. And if you have any doubt regarding any explanation or any doubt from this regarding this examination on CDS or CAPF or NDA, you can ask me on any question on different social media platforms like Telegram, Instagram, or WhatsApp. I have given the links of all these social media handles, so you can connect with me there. Okay. And please keep watching. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the form of comment or directly message me, or and also please give me a valuable feedback so that I can make improvement in my teaching procedure. Okay. So if you like the video, then please keep watching, and thank you so much for watching PYQ Academy.